Hello everyone, this is me, Angel. First fishing video. Right now we're gonna set up, oh shit, there might be some. Hey Brandon, look right there. Look, fucking bubbles. Might be a fish. Oh shit, maybe. Alright.
I'm not trying to break your limb, bro, relax.
Oh shit, we caught a frog.
Yo, wait, how do we know this shit is poisonous?
Well, we caught a frog, guys. I didn't get it on camera, but holy shit. Alright.
Oh, bro, I'm gonna have to have this nigga to open his mouth.
Bruh, that's crazy. How the fuck we got a frog before fucking fish? Yo, this dude's gonna jump at me, bro. Let him.
I'm gonna hold this shit real quick. Hold on.
Yo, hold it for the camera. Hold it for the video, Brandon.
Oh, he's playing dead.
Oh hell no.
You see? Oh shit! Oh fuck!
Oh shit.
Dude, it flung the lure towards me.
Oh shit. Oh
Fuck! I cut myself.
oh shit. Well, we are video professionals, so don't mimic anything we're doing. All right. Okay, we'll get this out. All right, guys, we're back at it. So the frog.
Technical difficulties.
Yeah, my friend's a little
I'm
sped.
not posting that online, alright? Fuck you, ducks.
Fuck, this shit's thick. Well, at least you did for the video, Brandon.
Just for the vines. Oh, fuck your video, bro.
What do you mean? It's it's ours, bro. Yeah, I'm gonna put this rod right there. All right. Let me set up this rod because it's not going great. All right, be right back.
It was going.
All right, guys. So I'm gonna attach a frog to this line. See if I can catch a bass. Fuck it. I'm gonna go with this green one. Oh shit. I already put the frog on here. Hopefully this isn't too heavy. I don't think so. All right, Brandon, move. So I have 5-pound test on this 6-pound rod. Very flexible.
Oh.
See if I can not.
What the fuck is that? That's not wood.
What? A tarp? What?
You see that right there? I'm gonna throw something at it.
Hey, bro, you're gonna fucking hook me.
Ah!
Shit's heavy. Nothing on the first cast. I'll probably do like 10 casts and then I'll like probably record if I catch anything. It's not gonna be a long video. It's my first video.
That's a dead bird.
That's fine. I don't know how I feel about this spot.
Huh?
Did see bubbles right there.
I'll tell you, that's the frogs. They're making fun of me, bro.
Ain't no way. I'll show right here. Brandon, you're supposed to be fishing.
Oh yeah, I didn't set up my line, did I?
Oh, we might also do saltwater fishing videos. I do have a boat, so we might be doing that soon on the channel. Yeah. Oh, also I forgot to mention, this is Victoria Pond. Oh shit. If you guys are interested, I don't know. Not big. There's not big fish, but there's frogs. So.
You never know. We never witnessed. We haven't witnessed yet.
All right.
I think we should go over there.
Alright, we're gonna go back to our original fishing spot. What the
there's a
fuck
couple
happened to
guys
my
over
phone?
there.
Yeah, there was people over there,
And we're
and
usually not the talkative type.
yeah, we're kind of like, you know,
A little acoustic.
yeah. I'm gonna cast this out over there real quick, and if nothing bites, I'll cut the video to us walking to the next spot. Oh shit! Fuck.
Fuck the frog, bro. I should have killed that shit. He hurt me.
Fuck. I'm on the...
That's easy to take off, bro. Hey, cálmate. No, you should go point it the other direction. Yeah. All right, now bring the tree 23. I'll take it off for you.
Just break the twig. Ah shit. Did you imagine if bass bites? Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Brandon, there's a twig right here. That's long enough.
But is it strong enough? No. I need Thor's hammer.
The fuck?
The low-key look like
yeah, so this is not going very well today. You're gonna break my fishing line. There's a twig right there under your foot. Fuck.
No,
That shit getting stuck
wait,
everywhere.
these are roots. Get your facts right. Most of these are roots. Fine, I'll use this twig.
Oh, wow, this is not going great. I'll cut back to when we get it out.
I'll go to a lake.
Alright guys, that spot was horrible.
You
So
don't have to always cut the camera off, to be honest. Just keep on recording and then you...
I know, but then the viewers don't like a bunch of just...
That's why you edited it. Oh, fuck. No, I didn't see that spider. You can go first.
What fucking kind of spider is that?
It's a black widow.
Oh, hell no. That's
Oh, shit. Oh, right here, bro.
Is it open though?
Yeah, there's no algae.
Oh, fuck. Ow. Fuck, why did I bring shorts?
Because you're a little acoustic. You want to fish right here?
You want fish right there? I'll go over here. What I tell you, Brandon?
Oh, look, right here is better.
Fuck yeah, bro.
We bring a little chair. We can have a little chair right here. Loki, if this is the type of plant, I think I know what I think it is. Fish could hide under here. Am I right? No?
Shit.
Angel.
Fuck, I can't see what we're recording.
Am I right? No?
Oh, whatever.
Yeah, because this right here, it's not, that right there, it's not technically,
We're back at it again. My thing cut out. I don't know. So, yeah, that other spot was horrible.
not that bad.
Yeah, it was.
It's just because there's a, I see you put it one of this.
I'm testing the waters, Brandon. Calm down.
No.
Oh, that's perfect.
No lure is ever going to be weakest.
The ones that had the hook.
Oh, this thing had, oh no, you're right, that is damaged. Or maybe the frog chest.
Yeah, I don't know if the frog's the way to go, but let's just keep trying it for about 10 more casts, and then I'll switch to my lucky lure.
One that caught the frog?
Not that one. That's a spoon.
Oh.
The one I've caught already bass on.
Yeah. Oh, I forgot we got put away.
What are you trying to rig up?
Oh, the small lure I have. Or not lure, rub.
I wonder if I just launched this with an old something bite. Actually,
Launch
no.
it.
Fuck.
What did I say? We can at least try one cast with it?
No, I don't trust you after what you did last time.
I'll actually buy you a new frog.
You launched 4 frogs that day, Brandon.
Shh. Don't tell the viewers about that.
Brandon, I lost some. Actually, they're like $1 each, so it doesn't matter.
Yeah.
But
So I
if
can
it-
just easily.
I'll let you.
I'll
If
give you
you.
the $2 I have right here if I lose it. Because aren't they $1 each?
Yeah, but then taxes, Brandon. Here, I'll let you cast.
Wait, keep put that on.
I'll hold it for you. Here. Whatever, I'll put it on.
Thank you.
Yeah, this might actually work. Hold on. Oh shit. Brandon, where the fuck is your reel?
What reel? Yo!
Yo, bro, where the frick did he go? Fuck.
Say you're playing with me right now.
I'm not.
Yo, hold your fishing rod.
About to handline this shit, bro. Shit.
Oh, shit. Frog routine.
Oh, fuck. Hello.
Did I hit you?
No. This shit hurts.
Yo, bro.
What'd you do to your fishing rod? Where did it go?
The reel could have fallen, to be honest.
Do you just not take care of your fishing rod?
Bro,
Brandon, if we want to go fishing, you're going to need to buy a new fishing rod.
actually, I don't.
I should get 3D print you one, I think.
Just 3D, yeah, 3D print me the real thing. You can, can't you?
Brandon, I'm going to have to fly fish this thing.
Wait, hold on, I think it might have fallen over there. Or it might have fallen on the bike right over here.
I'm fly fishing this shit right now. Ain't no way I'm doing this with the fucking fish. Yeah, this shit might hurt if they... I don't even remember if I'm
I
recording.
just realized it fell off.
Anyway,
It broke off. Wanna know why?
why?
Because this metal piece is supposed to be inside the thing.
Oh. I'm hand fishing this thing, so I'm just putting all the line on the floor.
Wait, no, you hand fish like this. So you don't get it tangled.
It's alright, Brandon. Holy shit. Yeah, I'm probably gonna switch to my other lure. Oh fuck, I'm getting tangled in it.
Gryffindor.
Griffith.
You a bitch.
How you know about that?
You what?
What? Alright guys, I'm gonna throw the frog a little longer. You know, just for shits and giggles, since I know nothing's gonna bite this shit. Yo, credit to that one dude, the one that's like, hello ladies and gentlemen. I forgot how it goes. Let's see how many Twix can hold me or something like that.
Oh, hello, ladies
Ladies
gentlemen, Letterman and
Middlemen's, and I forgot how it goes.
yeah, how many grandmas could own me? How many cats? How many babies? How many pencils? Yeah, I know you're talking about.
If you guys have any comments on where we should go in Orange County, put it down in the comments, please. Because we're trying to find fishing spots. We're not too sure where to go.
We should go to Santa Ana River.
She kind of sucks. You got to be there for like a long ass time.
That's why the early bird gets the worm.
Okay, Brandon, you say that as if you always get the worm.
I do get up earlier, so I just tend to go late.
Yo, I'm gonna leave my fishing rod here real quick, and I'm gonna go check if my original spot is free. Oh shit! Look, this spot's open. Oh, I know where we're at. Oh yeah, right over here. This spot's open too. There might be a fish here. I don't know. Well, I'll come back here in a bit. Ugh. Brandon, there's 2 spots open, but our spot isn't open. There's this open area right here, and then our spot, there's someone there. Ah, fuck.
Oh, you fucked up my fishing line.
What are you talking about? You should buy a new fishing reel. That one's always give you problems. I don't know.
Just that was the blue one. That one fucked up too.
I don't know how you could just buy new reel. Actually, they're cheap anyways.
Yeah. Well, this one was $40. This one wasn't cheap. The other one.
Oh yeah, that one. That's the good one. That's what I'm saying. You could just buy another reel. Like the one I got was $20. That shit's good. All right, there's the bigger version of it too.
All right, cut the shit off. Hold on, let me bring my lure back.
All right, I'll cut back to when we're actually ready to fish, because this is not going well.
Somebody's delayed.
Yo, shit. Okay, so it looks like we might have caught a fish. Don't tell me it's a frog again.
No, this shit's fighting for it.
pull it. Brandon, you got 20-pound line. Tighten that shit. Tighten the spool.
How you tying it?
Fuck.
This way?
Keep pulling it up. Keep pulling it up. No, the other way.
Up.
Fuck. Shit came off.
Oh, you little bitch. Look at that Mad Bear frog. Alright, bro, that was not me.
What?
This? Hold it.
No, it's fine.
No, hold it.
Well, we almost caught a fish. Let me put the other lure on, because I know that's my lucky lure.
Hold it. My bad if I'm sounding the man.
Brandon, you can pull this shit out. It's 20-pound line.
I just pull it.
You pull it. I'm going to set up my lure.
Oh, I'm not trying to get whacked.
Pull it that way, not... This is 20...
I died.
Here. Pull it that way, not... Yeah, just like yank it. It should come out. It's 20-pound line. If not, it's fine. I got 3 other ones.
Oh, but this is a lucky spoon.
I have 2 other spoons. I have a golden spoon and I have a chrome and blue spoon.
Oh, you gotta cast it that way. There is a fish that one.
Yeah, I know, but I have to get my other lure on here because that's the one they like. Remember?
I'm gonna add pressure to this.
No. You want the frog? I have another one.
Bro, it doesn't want to come off.
Cut the line then. You can retrieve it, or you can just cut it off. I guess. Run it. I got it unstuck.
Right. Wiggle it.
It's already out.
Oh.
Where'd you cast it? There.
Thank you.
Oh, shoot, a fish. Oh, shit.
Oh, bro, not over the tree.
That's fine. It's just a twig. All right, let me get this shit on already. So,
I'm
Here.
gonna ignore. Not bad.
bro, look at my fucking rod.
What? What'd I do? Oh.
Yeah, what I do? I'm gonna drop my rod. All right, guys, we're actually ready this time. Brandon, can you pick up the frog?
What frog? Oh. You want me to put it in yours, or are you gonna let me keep it?
Just keep it. I don't care. Watch out.
Wait, I switch you, because I want to go that side. That's where the fish was.
I don't give a fuck. My shit's already tangled. Watch out, Brandon.
Oh. I switch you.
And it's more open every here. I see the lure. No way, you got it stuck again. You know, the bass really seem to like this lure, so this soft plastic. So hoping one will bite. I don't know, maybe the hook might be a little too big. If I don't catch any of this cast, I don't know. I'll probably cut to if we catch something. I'm in this pond. Really, Brandon? Cast right in front of me. Almost on my feet too. Whatever, guys. So yeah, this is Angel Talk right now, you know. This is my first video. Well, I made videos before, but it was just gaming videos. So, yeah. I'm kind of an awkward guy. I don't know. We're probably gonna be fishing more on the weekends since that's when I can fish. Right now I'm gonna cast right here.
Wait, what?
I'm gonna cast where you're casting, so don't cast there.
I hope you catch the fish that I missed.
I hope I do too. I get really excited when I catch fish because I've had bad luck this whole year, except for of recent. I don't know, maybe the fish have realized that this is a fake worm. Shit, I'm trying to make sure my thing's tight because it felt kind of loose. Fuck. Well, that sucks. I'll be right back, guys. Alright, guys, so it's turning dark, so we gotta catch something soon. And I put a smaller hook because there was nothing biting. I mean, I guess not that dark, but still.
Have you eaten?
No. I made myself chocolate waffles in the morning.
What'd you say?
I made myself chocolate waffles in the morning.
Why? She's you talking to your family.
Yeah, but still, I was talking about personal stuff.
Thanksgiving is not that personal, bro.
Fuck, it's not taking the bait. Fuck, this shit got tangled. It's like right there. Yeah, I don't know if I trust you with that.
Here you go. Nah, don't worry.
Brandon, I've said I've trusted you with stuff, and you...
I'm 100% certified
Brandon,
fisherman.
Brandon, you're already gonna get that stuck in a tree. I want to cast right under there, but I'm... Oh shit, Brandon caught a fish. Actually. Fuck, it's not a fish. Huh? Now look.
What?
Big ass fucking...
Is that a fish or a bird?
A fish, bro. Look at this fish. Can you grab that?
Why do I always touch everything?
Because I always let you borrow everything.
But like, when you catch a fish, I don't want to touch it either.
But you got shit in here. Alright, come on.
Alright, lift it up.
Brandon, it's 5-pound line. I can't lift it up. Dude, leave that shit, bro. You're just gonna break it.
Yeah, I feel like a 5-pound line's gonna break.
Yes, it's gonna break. Because that shit's fucking heavy.
That shit fucking heavy.
Brandon, if you're pulling a line... Really, Brandon?
Alright, wait.
Wow, I really got excited for nothing. I'm about to hook one of them, bro.
Bashi, obviously, what do you want to eat?
I don't know, Brendan. Alright, can you take that off real quick? Is this Pete? Remember what we'll be learning about in science? Pete?
You guys are learning about pee?
Yeah. You know what Pete is, right?
Wait, what?
You know what Pete is, right?
Pete?
Yes, the stuff that's like very flammable.
Oh, I'm not.
What are you on right now?
We barely passed the unit of the Buffalo Wildebeest.
Ain't no way. You guys are
Not
that.
the Buffalo Wildebeest, the fucking... The conservation plans.
No way. You're right there.
Yeah.
You're so far behind.
I know, right? I asked Connor about it and she's like, oh, we're learning about flammable stuff. I'm like, what? Okay, something's good.
Yeah, I know. I saw it.
My first bird nest, guys.
Just keep pulling it.
Alright, not bad. I fixed it. Yeah, I fixed my first bird nest. Loki's getting too foggy.
So, I don't care.
Is that just me?
Oh, fuck. Oh, shit. Never mind. Just Hail Mary it. You didn't fix it.
It's tangled, yeah. It stops right here. I made a lino. I made the fishing rod acoustic. You're gonna have to fix it. I'm gonna stop casting it. Are you ready to go?
About
5 more casts? Hey,
I would
wait,
say.
don't let the dog eat that shit. Hey, bro, I'm gonna go check on the stuff.
You didn't bring it?
No? You didn't tell me.
Are you dumb? You're supposed to bring it anyways. Brandon, if all my stuff's gone, I swear. Alright guys, so I don't think we're gonna catch anything in this video. I've had luck here before, but I guess not today. Yep, I guess not today, guys. 2 more casts. That didn't count. I was way too close. Bro, I can't cast it. There you go. So that was last cast. Fuck. Alright, guys. See you next time. We didn't catch a fish today, but we will next time. I
Hopefully.
promise. I think. Listen. Alright, guys.
Alright, let me use
Peace.
that.